Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I want to show you how you can easily create a routine for your Neato D8 robotics vacuum cleaner. So first, click on this little icon here, and now, if you want to create a routine, click on the plus. Now here, select the time and select when does that repeat. Here you can also enable or disable the clean entire map, and it will also respect the no-go zones where the robot can get into. So that's it. Now here you can change a cleaning mode from eco to turbo or from turbo to eco depending on your preference. And after you set it up, click save, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time.